Hi YouTube. Today I have a 2020 Camry 2.5 XES doing bearing. I'm not going to do the road test and show you how to do it. How to test your bearing is bad or good or anything like that. On this one right here, when the person who owned this car think the tire's old and because low profile tire, and making noise, so he changing the tire and still making noise. I want to show you how to testing your bearing when you have a bad front bearing. Okay, now if you go in straight the road and noise is there, but you pull like this, the noise is rapidly increasing, then that means the bearing is bad. So it doesn't matter which way, okay? Sometimes you put in the left, make noise. Sometimes you put in the right, make noise, okay? Let's say either way, if you put in the left, make noise, but you put in the right, the noise actually stay the same. And that's the bearing. Or you put in the right, noise increasing, and you put in the left, noise reducing, that means is the bearing, okay? Because the reason making either way like that, because sometimes the wheel bearing is bad on the driver's side or on the passenger side, it depends. If it's bad on the driver's side, when you put on the right, the noise is increasing, or bad on the passenger side, then the noise may be increasing on the other opposite way, okay? So let's go making doing bearing chain on this right here. So when I pull to the left, make noise. So I assuming that is from the driver's side. So I'm going to do the driver's side, check the driver's side first. I'll turn this way. Turn like that. So I can take out the brake caliper. What you have to do, just put your screwdriver inside the rotor here and press against this right here, pull towards you. So this will be opening the piston a little bit. So you don't have to prise a lot, just pry a little bit so the piston can open. So when you put it back, just slide in. Take the 17mm out of the back here. Okay, you may not see what I'm doing. Let me show you. The brake caliper bolt holding here. Okay, this two. Just take this bolt out. Okay, the one on the bottom, and now just slide the caliper out. Okay, pull this out and let this hang to the top of the straps here, so it won't hang in by the brake right there. Rust a little bit. I'm gonna spray a little bit here. So on this right here, you have to be clean it real good. Okay, if you don't, sometimes scrape because it's so far away, it scrape this axle. Then you are in trouble because the nut cannot reuse it. Okay, and this is 30mm, and I think 12 point on this. Okay, they fit perfectly in there. So now let me pound to see if that rotor coming out. Okay. All right. This car have only 4 bolts holding the hub here. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, you see this 2 bolt here. There's 2 on the bottom here, and the only thing you need to do is just take this out. Okay, and that's 17mm. Okay, let's see, right here, pop this up. Okay, one right here on top. And 2 in the back. I'm going to turn this to this way so I can have room to the back side. Okay. Okay. All right, so let me pound it with the and I can see that it's like burning already. Okay, it's heat. You can see all this black here is heat. Okay, you can hear the noise. See that? All right, so let me grab the new one, put it back in there. When you do your be careful with the sensor here because it's right inside here in case you hit with the axle and they might pop this out. Okay, so I'm gonna clean a little bit inside here, all the rust, so the new hub can go easily in there. If it's not bad rust, you don't have to sand it, you know. On this right here, just a little bit corrosion. It's not rusting or anything like that. So what you have to do, just make sure you clean it. So when you torque this, it can go to the spec that it requirement for it. That's good enough. All right, got this from AutoZone, so that's DL9 quadruple 02. That's the part number for this, and I think either side it worked. Okay, it doesn't matter which side, so it will work on the other passenger side or on driver side. It's the same one, I believe. Okay, and look the same, and this very stiff. It's not loose like this right here, and this thing here is only go one way. Okay, and make sure they flip to the right side because you know that the caliper is on the front and you don't want to put it in the other way. Okay, so same thing, wide open from the bottom and narrow on the top. Just slide this in. Screw this in to hold it. So faster getting old. Okay, now it's time to torque this. So all the 4 bolt right here, 17 millimeter. Tied it to 46 foot-pound. Let's see, where's my? Okay, that's it. And the one right here, I already tied it. Let me check one more time. Okay. So I have to turn the wheel to the back side. Okay, do the same thing for 46 foot-pound. So the one from the top here, I'm using this way. Okay, because if you don't do this way, you come in this way, you're gonna bump into the vehicle, so it doesn't work. So go to the bottom is easier. Okay, so now you got your torque for the hub. So like it says, 46 foot-pound to 50 foot-pound, you should be okay with this. Okay. All right, and then the caliper here. Put this on first. The rotor does not open, so you can slide the calipers in. Okay, put this bolt to hold it. The last one will be the bottom one. Okay, and this one requires 79 foot-pounds, so I'm going to set mine to 80 foot-pounds exactly. Okay, for 1 pound, a little bit more, it doesn't hurt you. I hate small torque wrench. You have to use a lot of power. Okay, so caliper bolt, 80 foot-pound. Okay, let's see the bottom one. Okay, that's it for okay, 80 foot-pound, that's all you need. All right, so the heavy part is the axle nut. Okay, let's speed up the axle nut. Okay, and that will be 217 foot-pound on that. This is heavy. If you don't have a long torch wrench like this, I'm going to hurt your back on that 200 foot-pound. Alright, lock it in with 217. Okay. See, when you have a spin like that, don't worry. Just stick one of this inside here with the brake caliper or the bottom here. Okay, and that will lock it in for you. Okay. That's it. 217 foot-pound. Okay. If you turn this way, lock this way. If you turn this way, go to the bottom here. Okay. That's easy, simple. How to do that without another man had to press the brake shoe for you. Okay. Alright, the rest, you know what it is. Just put your tires on it. Simple and easy. You can port, I believe, the 80 or 90 foot-pound on the lug nut on this. Okay. And thank you for watching. Help me subscribe. Okay. See you guys next video. Bye bye now.